What are you eating? French toast? Are you eating French toast? Mmm. Mhm. Need your cup? Where you going? Don't put your feet in it. Yucky. What are you eating? Can you tell Daddy good morning? Landon, say good morning. See, I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating breakfast, huh? Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? Is that good? Where are you going with that? Mmm. Hold him on your lap. Don't dump him. Tell Daddy when he gets home you guys can have breakfast out here. Would that be fun? Breakfast with Daddy? Breakfast with Daddy. Would that be fun? Huh? Look at me. Peep. So, Mama, I'm busy eating. Don't mess with me when I'm eating. I'm big time. Huh? Huh? No, Maddie's not in here. You eat that. Those are for you, not Maddie. You gotta eat them so you get big and strong. Good job. Okay, say bye, Daddy. I love you. Can you wave bye to Daddy? Wait and say bye. Good job. Can you blow a kiss like I'm teaching you? Look, Landon. Can you blow a kiss? No? Just bye? Okay. Love you, Daddy.